Here we go. Here we go.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna shoot that ram. Ready?
Yep. I don't know where you hit it.
Huh?
But I don't know where you hit it. All I saw was dirt behind it.
Okay. Let's go for that Manchester silhouette out there.
The white one or the black one?
The black one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dead center.
Yeah. Let's go out another one. Let's go all the way out to the black and white center one you were shooting.
Okay.
You know when you're ready.
Yeah. Oh, the flash.
Okay, see the one's way out there? All the way out there?
Up on the hill?
Yep.
Yep. Two of them?
Yep. I'm going to take the left one.
Okay. I'd say you were high.
Okay. It figures with the wind.
Low.
Really? No?
I think it hit right in front of it.
Did it? Well, that's good enough for me. Do I got another shell in here? No. Yeah, but you see what it did.
Yeah.
Or Caleb ain't gonna miss a 200-yard shot with his fucking rifle.
No.
We're gonna find some more shells. You gotta shoot. You ain't shot this one yet. You gotta shoot that. You gotta shoot that.